The process of grilling meat is simple. I could describe it for you in a couple of steps. And that is what we are going to talk about today, writing a process essay. The process essay provides clear instructions on how to carry out a particular procedure in a step-by-step manner. Keep in mind that your first and foremost goal here is to provide the reader with easy-to-follow instructions, using which they'll be able to, for example, cook rice or make a dress. If you need some pointers for the writing process, here is some advice on how to write a process piece. Take a sheet of paper and draw a line in the center of it. Write down the materials or ingredients you'll need in the left column, and steps to follow on the right. Number all steps. Make life easier on yourself by figuring out what should be at the beginning of the essay and what it should be followed with. Before starting, you should decide who your target audience will be and use the appropriate language. Make an extensive list of materials you're going to use. Also, create a short plan, which will help you organize your thoughts. I hope this short guide helped you. If you want to simply order an essay and devote some time for yourself, head to Best Custom Writing, tell them you're from the Writing Guru, they'll know.